Hello and welcome to CTIA's Wireless IT and Entertainment 2009 conference. I'm Ruth Milkman, Chief of the Wireless Telecommunications Bureau at the Federal Communications Commission. I'm excited to be able to welcome you to the largest wireless data show in the industry. In July 2009, FCC Chairman Julius Genachowski named me as Chief of the Wireless Bureau. In my previous 11-year stint at the FCC, I served as Chairman Hunt's Wireless Advisor and as Deputy Chief of the Wireline and International Bureaus. I'm very happy to be back at the Commission. This CTIA show is particularly exciting because of its focus on new technologies and applications. I know that you'll enjoy the opportunity to see what the wireless industry has to offer in mobile devices, applications, and content. These are truly energizing times for wireless technology. I look forward to working with the CTIA membership to develop a policy framework that supports U.S. leadership in mobile wireless. Thank you for the opportunity to speak with you, and I hope you enjoy the conference.
Welcome to the FCC booth. We're glad you stopped by and hope your visit is both informative and enjoyable. Here you will find some of the best and the brightest FCC staff, ready, willing, and able to answer your questions about the Commission, about how what we do affects you, and how we can work productively together to advance all the good things the wireless industry is doing. What an exciting time it is in the wireless industry. The Commission is in the midst of developing a national broadband plan to foster high-speed, high-value broadband out to all of our citizens. And obviously, wireless is a major component of whatever is developed. I believe that broadband is the central infrastructure challenge of our time. Getting it out ubiquitously to all of our citizens can spell the difference, I believe, between stagnation and opportunity for us as individuals and us as a nation. So wireless has a really critical role in creating the kind of future we want for all of our citizens. The products and services you are bringing to the market not only advance the way we communicate, but the way we live and the quality of our lives. But this is not going to happen on autopilot. It's going to take hard work from all of the folks attending this convention, carriers, innovators, and manufacturers, working with other stakeholders like consumer groups to get us there. And it will take enlightened, sound policy from the Federal Communications Commission. That's where our working together can make the difference. The FCC needs your participation, and we're using a wide range of new tools to spur it. In addition to filing public comments the old-fashioned way, we've launched a broadband blog and our streaming staff workshops on key topics over the web. Stay tuned also for hearings and other creative outreach efforts by the Commission. FCC policies need to be informed by your best thinking and by input from all concerned stakeholders. I very much value the working relationship we have with CTIA and its members, and I look forward to even more robust engagement as we move forward together into the next exciting chapter in our country's communication development. Thanks again for coming by our FCC booth, and I hope each and every one of you has a great convention.
Hello, everyone. First, I'd like to thank President Steve Largent and CTIA for inviting me to join you. I see that you have an incredible show planned, and I'm sorry I can't be there with you in sunny San Diego. While I'm new to the Commission, I'm well aware of the important advocacy CTIA does in representing service providers, manufacturers, wireless data and internet companies, and many other contributors to the wireless world. Like you, I'm focused on bringing the consumer the widest array of choices, providing the best and most accurate consumer information, and encouraging and maintaining a competitive wireless market. We also share the common goal of extending wireless connectivity, regardless of what sector of this wireless ecosystem you find yourself in. I'm really looking forward to working with you on the many wireless issues the FCC will address in the coming months. Clearly, broadband deployment and adoption are top priorities. I'm sure we all accept the premise that broadband has the potential to positively transform the lives of all Americans. Broadband is changing and will continue to change the way we receive essential services, interact with one another. But we are also at a technological crossroads, and we need our broadband plan to make a difference when it comes to adopting the technology. Part of my goal, and that of the FCC, is to better understand why broadband is not being deployed to and adopted across the nation by all Americans. We'll need to take the steps necessary to ensure that all Americans understand the benefits of broadband. Similarly, we have to find ways to encourage investment, particularly in these tough, challenging economic times. I know that all of you will be focused on the next several days on mobile economics and looking at such important issues as wireless health, smart energy, and intelligent transportation. I look forward to hearing back from you on the information gained by the planned debates and dialogue here in San Diego. Finally, I would like to thank you in advance for the expertise I know you will provide on the number of issues coming our way, namely public safety, E911, and spectrum inventory and access. I know we can reach real solutions that promote the public's interest. Thank you for allowing me to join you all today, and enjoy the show.
Hello, I'm Commissioner Meredith Attwell Baker, and I would like to thank Steve Largent and CTIA for inviting me to CTIA's 2009 Wireless IT and Entertainment Show. I'm happy that I'm going to be able to join with you in San Diego, and I thank you for stopping by the FCC booth. Wireless is the fastest growing sector of Americans' broadband economy. As demand for wireless broadband services continues to increase, so will demand for spectrum. I have a keen interest in spectrum policy, and I'm convinced it is critical that we pursue policies that foster the efficient use of spectrum to promote continued innovation and investment in the wireless marketplace to the benefit of American consumers. As the Commission develops and implements the National Broadband Plan, an efficient, transparent, and flexible spectrum policy, along with next-generation wireless technologies, will be critical to achieve the goal of broadband access for all Americans. Broadband has become critical infrastructure, the enabling technology for everything from the future of our children's education to the next generation of healthcare, smart energy grid development, intelligent transportation, and true public safety interoperability. From an economic standpoint, broadband is essential for restoring sustained economic growth, opportunity, and prosperity, and for maintaining American competitiveness in the 21st century. I would like to take this opportunity to thank CTIA and the wireless industry for your dedication and continued work on the many significant issues before us, including the National Broadband Plan, net neutrality, the implementation of an interoperable public safety communications network, handset exclusivity, and the continued promotion of competition in the wireless marketplace. I look forward to working with you on these and other important matters concerning the wireless sector and hearing from you about what we at the FCC can do to ensure that America continues to be a world leader in the next generation of wireless innovation. Thank you again for visiting our booth, and I hope you enjoy the conference.